Hello guys, it's me, I'm back. Yep, your boy's back. So today I don't actually have any ideas to make videos. I'm just gonna do a small little not a update actually. I'm just gonna do something cool or something, I don't know. Today I'm just gonna show something new. So let's show first which departments I work for. The first, this is created yesterday. I'm a co-owner because the idea was me for. I can't speak, okay? This is actually still private, not public. It's gonna be public in like after 5 days. I don't know. And after Sandy searches, I'm actually co-owner in the Sandy searches. Oh no, I don't know what I'm. Yeah, I'm a co-owner. What the fuck? Oops. I didn't save. I actually don't work for this. My friend No Name right here is actually the co-founder of this. Or no, or maybe he's a developer, I don't know. He was the co-founder or co-owner. I was demoted in this for no reason, so I'm just gonna leave this. Sorry, No Name right here. So sorry. What the hell is this? Live stages? Alright, refresh. Get refreshed. Refresh! Okay, let's start a create a stage channel. I'm actually too late. I'm actually too lazy to do that. So sorry. So yesterday I said in the yesterday's video, I said the ranks was gone, but when you join the game, then you get the rank. So my rank is actually still captain. I played yesterday, but I had no time to record. So in man currently captain I 2 times I've done. Captain I yeah. Now this. Where's the? Did he really renew? Okay, I'm not gonna. I'm a general agent in United States Border Patrol, but the game says Mexico Border Patrol. What? Let's go after. My rank was actually where's mod? I cannot speak. God, head moderator. The reason now I'm a resident because I got hacked. I was a captain I think. Yeah, I was a cap. No, I was. I don't remember. Maybe I just got hacked. I couldn't get the ranks back in this things. What the? I never ever joined this group. This group is moved, so everyone is a trainee. Except for this dude and this dudes. By the way, Toast is my friend. Now PSP partner. I don't know how to speak. State, please. What? I really don't know when I joined this group. What? I never joined this many groups. Oh, this is the link the Canada just leave. Roleplay master squad, nothing. What? What? Hi. Hashtag city, but there is no players joining that big reason. What? 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 Are you even 5-year-old? Not being rude if you're watching video. I don't know, I'm not popular. I can't talk. Game back up. Why are they switching? Why did you private the city of Venture V version 1? Okay. Wait, what? My iPad is disabled for how much is 47 years? My iPad is disabled for 47 years? What? Dude, what? Hey, kid, why did you do that to my freaking iPad? Gosh, damn it. Nah, just kidding. I don't have an iPad, I have a phone. Let's watch. Kinda true. Oh yeah, by the way guys, yesterday's video, I forgot to make my mic unmuted. So, you couldn't hear anything. Sorry about that. Let's see if this is a review. What? I was right. Oh wait, I said 47 years. What? What? I don't even think they're gonna wait that long. Yeah. I also think they're saving so many, like he's a dad, right? Like he has so many files and stuff in there. Dude, my freaking internet. Never mind. Imagine if that happened to you. What the hell is... Nah. This was possibly the uselessest video ever. But I'm just gonna upload it. Hope you guys enjoyed and see ya tomorrow. No, I might upload again. Yeah.